With the rise of digital finance, money transfer apps have revolutionized the way we send and receive money, making transactions faster, easier, and more convenient than ever before. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, sending money to family overseas, or making online purchases, there's a money transfer app to suit your needs. With the likes of some very popular apps like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Apple Pay, and many others, it's up to you to choose which one favors you more. Well, today, we will be taking a closer look at Cash App, and we'll be seeing how to withdraw money from Cash App easily. We will be back after the short intro. First of all, Cash App is a money transfer app that permits users to send and receive money easily, but can also store cash temporarily and does not work like a bank. That is obviously why many people will instantly want to withdraw money they have received in their Cash App account. Withdrawing money from Cash App is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. 1. First of all, open the Cash App on your mobile device. 2. On the home screen, you'll see your Cash App balance. Tap on it. 3. After tapping on your balance, select the Cash Out option. 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can also choose to cash out your entire balance. 5. Select transfer speed, that is, between the free transfer or the instant transfer. Then finally, tap Cash Out to confirm. If prompted, enter your PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID for security. Note that the instant transfer will cost a certain fee. However, the free transfer won't cost any fee, but will take 1 to 3 days to complete. Also, you have to make sure that your bank account is linked to your Cash App for this procedure to work with ease. You can check our written article following the link below to get everything detailedly explained. Well, this is the end of this video. And if you found it helpful, then don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fintech videos such as this one.